So, you're on the hunt for the latest scoop on Google's upcoming Pixel lineup? Well, you've come to the right place because today we've got some juicy leaks to delve into. Last month we got a sneak peek at the Google Pixel 9 Pro, and guess what? We're back with even more goodies. But hang tight, because it's not just the Pixel 9 Pro making an impact in these leaked images. Nope, it's joined by not one, but two siblings, the Pixel 9 and the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now before you get too excited, let me clarify that the Pixel 9 Pro XL name isn't set in stone yet. However, it looks like Google's gearing up to drop not one, not two, but three high-end slab-style devices this year. Let's tentatively call them the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. So, what's the scoop on these new gadgets? Well, the Pixel 9 stepping into the shoes of the Pixel 8, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL takes over from the Pixel 8 Pro. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro slides in with specs similar to the XL, but in a Pixel 9-sized package. Now let's talk specs. The Pixel 9 prototype we're eyeing up here boasts a respectable 12 gigs of RAM, while its siblings sport an even meatier 16 gigs. Storage-wise, you're looking at a solid 128 gigs across the board. Though remember, these numbers might dance around a bit once it hits mass production. But wait, there's more. We are talking about display sizes. 6.24 inches for the Pixel 9, 6.34 inches for the Pixel 9 Pro, and a whopping 6.73 inches for the Pixel 9 XL. Size-wise, the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro are peas in a pod, but the difference lies in those bezels. The Pixel 9 rocks some chunkier ones, while the Pro models keep it sleek. Now let's talk cameras. Both the Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL flex with 350 megapixel cameras on the back. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 keeps it simple with a main camera and an ultra-wide lens. But hey, Google's not stopping there. Both Pros toss in a periscope telephoto lens for some snazzy 5x optical zoom action. Powering these beasts is Google's very own Tensor G4 SoC. And here's a fun fact. While the Pros come decked out with UWB support, the vanilla Pixel 9 misses out on the party. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the design. Say goodbye to the edge-to-edge visor look on the rear, because the Pixel 9 family's opting for a sleek, fully flat frame. Trust me, the leaked images speak volumes. Excited yet? Because I sure am. With all these leaks swirling around, it's hard not to get hyped for what Google's got in store for us. So, that's a wrap for today's leak roundup. But hey, if you're craving more juicy tech tidbits, you know where to find me. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe, and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, peace out.